Welcome to week 1 of Computer Science 105, Computer Fluency. Today I'm just going to give you a rundown of, really quick rundown of this week's course. Okay, first, we have a great textbook. It's Larry Snyder, Fluency in IT. You need to pick it up because we're going to rely on that very heavily in this class. What I've done for this first week, and I'll probably do it next week too, is I've posted PDF version of the chapter 1 of the textbook. So you're off the hook here for a little while, but please get your textbooks. Chapter 1, please read it. It focuses a lot on different vocabulary. There's lots of jargon with IT. I've created some review questions for you. Please take the time to answer those review questions. It is an assignment. It's assignment RQ 1.2. It has a due date. Please make sure you recognize the due date and get that in. Lesson 1.3 breaks down the chapter a little more. We've discussed scientific units and conversions. So as an IT professional, you need to be able to talk a little bit. If we're discussing storage, a person needs to be able to differentiate or even convert between terabytes, gigabytes, megabytes, kilobytes, and bytes. So being able to work with different scientific units is really, really important for computing. And then, of course, it's foundational for any science field, and it's used widely in a metric system throughout the rest of the world. So it's really important knowledge to have under your belt here. We'll also discuss images and a little bit about digital cameras. So how many pixels are in an 8 megapixel image, for instance? Or if we have 16-bit resolution, how many different values of red, green, and blue are stored for each pixel? So these are, again, covered in Lesson 1.3. Make sure you take some time, textbook, do a little web search if you need it, if you get stuck on this stuff. Lesson 1.4 examines comparisons. So when we start working with technologies, a lot of times we'll take an older technology and a newer technology, and we want to compare them. And the way we do that is with a factor of improvement. So in other words, this particular new technology is 20% faster. How do we calculate that? What we do is we create rates. So we have a new rate, and we divide that by the old rate. We're able to come up with a value. It will always be greater than 1, greater than 100%. But it will increase, we can say, well, if it's 120%, well, it's an increase of 20%. For instance, okay? So rates are important. Sometimes these are time-based, sometimes they're not time-based, but if they are time-based, it's really important that we do have a rate. All right, that's our week. Good luck to you.